Yeah, blockchain is the future. Read up on it. Let me give you guys a couple resources. I don't want to leave you empty-handed. A couple places that you can start learning blockchain that I've actually started using myself. Trusted resources. Here's one of them, Blockchain Alliance. Really good resource of learning what it is. You know, what is blockchain? And it's starting from non-technical, like an overview. This one's free, like starts off free. Then you got technical, and then you got specialty. So one of the ones I'm interested in is blockchain security. I'm going to do this right here. But you got it for healthcare, data science, and internet as a Internet of Things. And these are some of their deeper courses right here, but they've got free ones. Like, don't be intimidated by this price. Like, some of this is free. I believe this one is free. I'm going through this one right now. And like I said, I'm probably going to take, once I go through the free one, I'm going to go through this one right here. Blockchain security. And this one, I believe, does cost some money, but it's, how much is it? Whoa, $2,000. Damn. Oh, this is instructor led. That's why. They've got a cheaper one. I don't want instructor led. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, there you go. Right there. On demand. Yeah, okay, that's more like it. Yeah, I'll be taking this one real soon. And yeah, I just want to kind of dive into this field. I'm very super interested in it and want to know more, and my industry may start getting into this. I can definitely see the stuff that I'm doing getting into this particular field, so I want to lean in and learn as much as I can while it's still cheap. And let me see, is there any other places? This is pretty much the main one that I'm using right now, but if I learn any other places to deep dive into this stuff, I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, that's it for this one.